Welcome back everybody. So guys, in this class I just want to show you some more things in the jQuery. Basically I just want to show you that this is not really cool that we're just using same selector two times in the same event. You can see that this is a click event and then we want this to be animated and again this to be animated. When they both are same selectors, then this way is not actually a good way. Why I'm just calling the same selector two times? I can work with the chaining method too. I just want to show you some more things. I can apply another one here, then I'll just apply the chaining method to the next one. You can see that already I just applied two animations with the div1 when anyone clicks on the div1. So what I'm just doing here, I'm just telling this should be slide up. Just okay. And do you want to put some value on the slide up? No, I just don't want. Just leave that. Save and go to the browser and let's just check this out. Refresh, and I'm just clicking on the element. It's going perfectly, and then yeah, you can see that it just slided up. By the way, I just applied three effects with the same div. So this is not necessary to call the same selector multiple times. What we can do, first of all, remove the semicolon, remove the extra space, and now we just need to connect all of them. What we need, we just need to remove the $sign and the selectors parentheses, okay, in this way, and then attach it with this one. You can see that now it's just attached with this one, this, and then when it just completed, here you can see now instead of typing the selector again, it just attached with the previous one. Well, what I'm just doing with the next one, delete that, and again the selector and the $sign. In this way you can see that how easy we just make this. It's called the chaining method. I'm refreshing the page now, click, and you can see that it's still working in a perfect way. Yeah, you can see that. But for now I just want to make something new and something really great. Basically I just applied two animations, but both are not really cool and good. So what I'm just thinking to do, I'm just thinking to create it more good. So right now I'm just deleting the slide up. I just made the slide up for teaching you the chaining method more conveniently. So I'm just going to this first one first, and I'm not changing the height and width for now. Okay, even I'm not updating the opacity. What I just did here, I'm just applying the margin from left to 300 px with the background color of blue. Okay, I'm not gonna change the background color for now, but the second thing I'm doing, I'm removing the height and width from the second animation too, and now you can see that again this is the margin left 300. I have no problem, but I'm just pressing enter. Or instead of the margin left, why not I just directly use the left? Did you remember the position absolute? I'm just typing left. I just want to show you how we can work on left. It won't work until you go down. I'm going down, and here I have to apply the position, and I just need to make the position as absolute. Now save and go back to the top, and now you can see that it's the left 300 px, left 300 px again, but now on a second one, and the first one from the top it should be 0. Okay, and yeah, in this way, and there the top should be 0 again. Okay, now what I'm just doing, just checking in a browser that it works perfectly or no. So I'm just going to the browser and refreshing. Now click on the element, then you can see that it's actually, so let's just refresh the browser and click on the element. So it's actually giving me some problem. Basically this is not giving me the problem. You can see that it's working perfectly. Yes, this is what I just want, but why it didn't work previously? Because you know that this is absolute in the position, and there are two divs, the main div 2, the div 2, and the div 1. So I'm just removing the div 2, and as you know that there is an effect. Let's just delete that one too. I just don't want that anymore. So at the very top, I'm just going to the top again. Yes, there you can see that this animation is applied on the div1. So I'm going back to the notepad, the browser, and refreshing this. So now it's without any kind of div, as in previous way it was back of a div. Now you can see that it's going, and then it's completing its second step. You can see that the color is changing, but it's not moving, because there what I did, I said that the top is still 0, but I'm just updating the top for now. I'm typing here 100px, only second animation. So go back to the browser and refresh. Now click on the animation and it's going, and then it should go down as it is. Yes, this is what I just want. Okay, so go back to the notepad, and basically I just want it around 300 pixels from the top again. So click on the element. Yeah, it's going, and then it's going down. Okay, now it should go back. So for going back, I have to attach another animation. So exactly, you know that I just don't need to type the selector, which is already there, because so just directly type the animate, but don't forget to put the period. Okay, this is really necessary to put the period. Animate, and then here inside it just go down and put something like left. Now I just want the left as 0. Okay, and remove the semicolon. It should be the single quote, and then the top should be 300px. So save, and then I need another one too. One thing more I'm doing, I'm just making them 1000 means 1 second, and there it should be 1002, and I'm adding another animation, the last one. So the animate, and then the parentheses, and inside the parentheses the curly braces. Go inside the curly braces, and the left should be, well, the left should be 0 again, 0, and comma, and the top should be 0. Yeah, the top too should be 0, because I just want to get it on a position back. So save and go to the browser, and I'm just refreshing. Now click on the element. It's going there, going down, going to the left, to the top. So this is exactly working. Pretty awesome. Do you want to update the colors too? So yeah, you can if you just want. So I'm just going there, adding another comma and pressing enter, and the background C should be capital, must be capital basically, and the color I'm adding as the purple, or why not the orange, and then after the orange it should be red back, because the real color was red. So the comma and the background COLOR, the color I'm adding as red. On the last step, the last step of the animation, refresh and click on the block. You can see that it's going pretty awesome. Yeah, it's going to the top with all the colors. So what more we need? Nothing more than that. Just last one. I'm just applying a little more animation. So 1000, and another point, the slide up, or yeah, slide up. Okay, slide up, and then I'm not giving any kind of specific speed for now, and then suddenly it should be slide down back, then fade out. Yes, save and go to the browser. I'm going back to the browser and refresh. Now click on the element. You can see that it's going and back, and you can see that it's just hideout. So in the next class we'll just make it more beautiful. We'll learn something new basically. So stay tuned and goodbye.